Welcome to AiCare tutorial series. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to manage an enterprise in the AI portal system. First, log in as a system administrator, and then click on the facilities menu item. You'll see a list of facilities based on the system level and all the enterprise level underneath. To add an enterprise, first select the system. Now you'll see the Add Enterprise button. Click on the Add Enterprise button, and you'll be presented with a form to fill out. Fill out the fields to describe the enterprise you are adding. Then click the Add button at the bottom right corner of the dialog to complete adding the enterprise. Next, we're going to edit an enterprise. Once an enterprise is added, you may change its information by editing it. First, select an enterprise from the list, and then click the Edit Enterprise button. You'll be presented with a form, and you can edit the information in the form. Click the Edit button to save. Lastly, you can also delete an enterprise. Select the enterprise that you want to delete, and then click the Delete Enterprise button. Once confirmed the deletion, the enterprise will no longer be available. This concludes adding, editing, and deleting an enterprise. Thank you for watching.